जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन। पाकिस्तान में कायद-ए-आज़म डोमेस्टिक टूर्नामेंट फर्स्ट क्लास टूर्नामेंट का आज फाइनल हो रहा है कायद-ए-आज़म ट्रॉफ़ी का। रोशनियों के शहर कराची के अंदर नेशनल स्टेडियम के अंदर इस वक्त पहला दिन है, डे एंड नाइट टेस्ट मैच है, पिंक बॉल के साथ हो रहा है टेस्ट मैच और इफ्तिखार इस वक्त 90 रन पर खेल रहे हैं आपके सामने। इफ्तिखार बैटिंग करते हुए और काशिफ अली बॉलिंग करते हुए। नॉर्दर्न वर्सेस केपीके। नॉर्दर्न जो पहले राउंड में बॉटम ऑफ द टेबल थी, दूसरे राउंड में आकर उन्होंने क्वालिफाई किया फाइनल के लिए। और केपीके ने जो रनर अप जो विनिंग टीम थी लास्ट ईयर, उन्होंने फिर इस दफ़ा क्वालिफाई किया। पहला दिन आज
खेला था लेकिन रन बनाने में कामयाब भी नहीं हुए। बेहतर बॉलिंग देखने में नजर आई है काशिफ की जानिब से। अच्छी लेंथ है, इन स्विंग कर रहे हैं, टारगेट्स को स्टंप कर रहे हैं।
इस वक्त 234 रन्स, 4 आउट, 82.1 ओवर।
स्टंप्स को टारगेट कर रहे हैं।
वकास ने 2 आउट किए हैं और नवाज ने 1 आउट किया है और मुबस्सर ने 1 आउट किया है। और एज हुई है बॉल टुवर्ड्स टू बाउंड्री एंड 4 रन्स। इफ्तिखार इज ऑन 94 रन्स।
इस बाउंड्री के साथ बहुत ही कम ऐसे फॉल स्ट्रोक्स खेले इफ्तिखार ने। इस मर्तबा किस्मत के धनी साबित हुए।
गेंद बुरा नहीं था काशिफ की जानिब से, खिंची हुई लेंथ थी, ऑफ स्टंप के ऊपर था, लेकिन
ये देखिए
इस बार अनलकी रहे। अच्छा मनोवर किया।
वैकेंट स्लिप क्वाड्रेंट में से बॉल निकल के थर्ड मैन की तरफ 4 रन के लिए
खेला, इसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा मायूस होंगे काशिफ। 4 रन पे बैठे।
वकास बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं नॉर्दर्न की तरफ से आउटसाइड ऑफ द स्टंप, बीट किया रेहान अफरीदी को।
Much exaggerated movement of the ball with a new one, but then still good enough to beat that outside edge.
The most successful bowler from Northern is Waqas Ahmed in the first day of the Qaid-e-Azam Trophy final between Northern and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Rehan Afridi is facing Waqas Ahmed.
But as of now, you just get a feeling that KP is in survival mode. They want to play this day off without losing any more wickets than what they have already on the scoreboard. That's 4.
Here goes Waqas. His run-up looks very smooth and high arm action, side on action, and his head was tilted. That is why he couldn't see the batsman properly, and
doesn't have much pace behind him.
And Rehan Afridi taken a quick single and lucky escape for him, and he fall down while running hard and hitting to the umpire and fall down.
Faisal Afridi is in pain.
Afridis are naturally strong guys like Shahid Khan Afridi, Shaheen Shah Afridi and Rehan Afridi. Look, he stand up. Here we go. Running hard, hand trying to escape the run out and hitting the umpire.
The issue with Rehan is that he loves watching the ball. This has happened earlier as well when he's been ball watching. Here on this point, I wouldn't really blame him, but
Omar Min throws the ball
it's being thrown at the stumps. And to avoid that ball hitting him, he's just suddenly at the last moment starts running.
Frizzy is in the field
the umpire
and checking the concussion.
Faisal Afridi, the umpire, is a big unit.
And very ironically, Afridi collided with Afridi. Rehan Afridi collided with Faisal Afridi. And Rehan Afridi fell down and Faisal Afridi stand up. And physio in the ground.
You can see how big Faisal Afridi is. He didn't even move an inch.
Oh, Rehan Afridi is all right.
Typical fast bowler, Rehan. Faisal Afridi, both Afridis. Absolutely, like you said, it was
Northern start very beautifully in the late afternoon. They have taken 2 quick wickets. Shahid Zafran with no score and Fakhr Zaman also got out cheaply. And then good partnership between Kamran Ghulam and the batsman. I forgot on the name. Musaddiq Ahmed, and Musaddiq Ahmed fall down to Mubashir Ahmed at 45 runs. And then good partnership between Kamran Ghulam and Iftikhar Ahmed. And Iftikhar Ahmed is now on 94 runs facing Waqas Ahmed. Here we go. Trying to hit the ball hard. Iftikhar looking for century in the Qaid-e-Azam Trophy final. Iftikhar Ahmed, the current test player of Pakistan.
Ghulam's partnership Then Kamran Ghulam, Iftikhar Ahmed partnership, and now Iftikhar Ahmed and Rehan Afridi's partnership. 50 runs.
50-run partnership between Iftikhar and Rehan.
Afridi has supported Iftikhar, and that is what you want to see from a team. This is what you associate with somebody like KP's side. They play for each other. They're got a very good unit. They play with unity. That's why they've almost won everything, every title.
Last ball, Iftikhar.
Oh, wonderful.
Wonderfully driven through the cover, beautifully crest way, 4 runs. Iftikhar Ahmed, now Iftikhar moves to 98 runs, just 2 runs away from the 100, brilliant 100 in the final of Quaid Azam Trophy. Here we go. Beautifully bisecting the two fielder between the cover and the gully. Iftikhar Ahmed driven beautifully, handsomely towards the boundary line. Just 2 runs away from the 100. At the non-striker run, Iftikhar Ahmed waiting anxiously because he wanted to complete his 100 today. He don't want to go tomorrow. Only 6 hours left. He wanted to complete in this hour right now because Rehan Afridi is facing, or it's better, it's wise for Rehan Afridi to take a quick single and put his captain on the strike again to complete his beautiful 100. Here we go. Rehan Afridi taken a quick single as we're discussing, and Iftikhar is on the strike. The captain of KPK is on the strike. The man which I predict few years ago, he could be the next Yunus Khan. He needs to be proved. He needs to prove, and he needs to give regular chances in Pakistan test sides. If he played at number 4 and number 5, he will be a handful for Pakistan cricket team. He is proving in every season, in each season. But unfortunately, he didn't given proper chance in the Pakistan test squad. Just one test match here and there, then dropped away. Kamran Ghulam and Iftikhar Ahmed both are deserving players to play for Pakistan, to represent Pakistan in test matches. Here we go. Kashif Ali to Iftikhar Ahmed. Beautiful driven. Straight toward the cover fielder. Mubassir Ahmed.
Allowing Iftikhar and Rehan to just drive through the line. So when they are actually planting that left foot out, or the front foot as you call it, they're almost to the pitch of the ball. It's a little too full. The last shot we saw of the previous over, that was a drive of a ball that was extremely overpitched. No worries whatsoever for him to place it at perfection. Whereas you'd like a length where the batsman, when comes in the front,
let's see if Iftikhar completed his 100 in this over.
Like this maybe.
Stay towards the point. Mohammad Nawaz.
Earlier and Iftikhar, they're pretty good. They've got quick hands, so they're able to play off the back foot as well, especially against the spinners. They use the crease very well. They go deep.
All his teammates in the balcony, Wasim Ahmed Jr. and coach Abdur Rahman,
standing in the balcony.
Arshad Iqbal. They all are waiting for Iftikhar Ahmed beautiful 100 in the final of Quaid Azam Trophy. The veteran of domestic cricket, Iftikhar Ahmed.
First for KP as well.
Oh, close appeal. I think it's going towards the leg side, missing the leg stump.
When you don't have the referral system, every time the ball hits the pad, the batsman's heart is in his mouth. Especially when you're 98, you're like looking at the umpire.
It's clearly missing leg stump.
You see he's leaning over and he's angling towards the leg stump. You just know the movement of the keeper as well. You know it's going down the leg. So everything is being kept in consideration by the umpire. He's noticing everything. Even the half-hearted appeal is also pretty much perfect, that the bowler is not really sure.
Haider Ali in the first slip. Ruhail is the keeper. Solidly behind it. And Rehan Afridi denied to take a single.
There's absolutely nothing for the bowlers. Pitch is on a slower side.
Iftikhar Ahmed is anxiously waiting
Probably
the
that's
double,
what you
the single
thought
runs
earlier, that
because he wanted to complete his
He
100.
can play the front foot.
immediately because he don't want to remain
Back foot,
in the
front
nervous
foot, even the
90s.
football they play, they've been able to play off
It's very
kick.
hard to go
Back
through
foot.
these nervous 90s. Michael
Taking
Slater
balls off the pitch.
out quite often in nervous 90s. Salim Malik from Pakistan out quite often. Inzamamullah quite often. Stephen Roger
He's
Waugh.
got pace
He also
and
quite
everything.
often got out in the
He
nervous
was on the shorter
90s.
side too, all through to the day.
That's it. That's the 100 in the final. Straight toward the cover, between the cover and the midfielder. He proved that he is the veteran, he is the player for Pakistan, and he should be in the Pakistan Test match side, should be in Pakistan ODI side. He is the ODI spinner, good off spinner. Well done, well done, well done, Iftikhar.
248 for 4. Him 102. You